If you're thinking about being a social worker, you know, or even in social care, and you know, you want to be a part of somebody's life, you know, to support them, to achieve their outcomes, empower people, advocate on behalf of people who don't have a voice, you know, then I would say just go for it, you know, have a look online, see what courses might be out there that are available, and just apply. You know, it was really as simple as that. It was one little decision. You know, I decided that I wanted to be a social worker, and that was it really. And sort of 3 years later, I'm newly qualified now. I'm working for the team that I was at my first year placement for, so it's all really come round full circle, and I absolutely love my job. You know, it's an absolute privilege to be a part of people's lives in the way that we are, you know, often when it's at a time where they're at their most vulnerable and need support, and you know, some people don't have family and friends who can support them or advocate on behalf of them. So I think it's just an absolutely invaluable job, and you know, not every day is easy, but like I said, Denbighshire are really on point with wellbeing in work, and they're there to support you. But absolutely, at the end of every day, it's definitely worth it. So I think if you're thinking about a job in social care, then I would say just go for it.